Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about how we can check eBay authenticity tag. Well, the eBay authenticity tag is basically something that comes with sneakers, t-shirt, etc. For example, when you go and buy a t-shirt, you will find a name tag next to it with the brand name and the size, for example, of the t-shirts and how to use it and etc. and some guidance. So the same thing goes for eBay tag. It's something that's gonna be attached to an item. Now to check it actually, well, you either go into search here for authenticity tag or add here to actually really have it. So eBay authenticity tag, but you will not really find this since it's not something that you buy. Instead, it's something that you will get with an item. So for example, to get something like that, as you can see, this is the authenticity tag. So to get it, you need to buy an item from eBay with this feature. So this is the only way to get it and see it so you can check it and view it by your eyes. Otherwise, you will not really have it. So yeah, this is the only way. We already made a video on how to remove it, how to get it. It's pretty simple. You can check it and see it after this video. But the only way that you can actually have it between your hand and view it, touch it, and feel it, well, it will be after you buy an item. Probably, as you can see here, the most items that comes with it are pretty much shoes. Other than that, you will not be guaranteed to find it with anything else. So in case you really wanted to see it and check it in case you were a seller, I mean, just try to buy a cheap item or cheap shoe and see it. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video.